What is SAC305 and SMT soldering? SAC305 is a lead-free solder alloy made of 96.5% tin, 3% silver, and 0.5% copper. It's the industry standard for surface mount technology, offering RoHS compliance and stable performance. With a melting point around 217 degrees Celsius, SAC305 flows well in reflow soldering and minimizes defects. It delivers excellent wetting, thermal fatigue resistance, and is ideal for high-reliability, fine-pitch assemblies. SAC305 equals reliability, compliance, and performance. A must-know for every electronics engineer. Follow for more quick SMT insights.